In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Calendly calendar into your Squarespace website. This is a great way to enhance your website's functionality, making it easier for visitors to schedule appointments with you directly. Before we dive into the steps, it's important that you have both your Calendly and Squarespace accounts logged in and ready to go. With everything set, let's get started. First, head over to your Calendly account. Once you're there, locate the meeting you want to integrate. To do this, you'll see 3 horizontal dots in the top right corner of the meeting. Give that a click. This will open a menu where you'll see the option to Add to Website. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be presented with a few different embedding options. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Inline Embed option. Click Inline Embed and then Continue. You'll be taken to a new screen where you have the chance to copy the embed code. Click Copy Code, and you'll have what you need to bring Calendly onto your Squarespace site. Now navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where you'll decide exactly where your calendar will appear. You have the flexibility to add it wherever it fits best on your site. Maybe you want it on your contact page or perhaps a dedicated appointments page. It's entirely up to you. Once you've made your decision, you'll want to add a new content block. To do this, look for an Add Block option and click it. From the list of block types, select Code. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied from Calendly. Click into the code block to edit it and simply paste the code there. Once pasted, click anywhere outside of the box to save that change. Finally, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a Save button. Give that a click and then you can exit the editor. After you've completed these steps, you might notice that the calendar doesn't appear instantly. This is perfectly normal. It can take a moment or two for the calendar to fully load, so just be a little patient. Once it appears, you'll see your Calendly calendar right there on your Squarespace page, ready for your visitors to start scheduling their time with you. That wraps up our tutorial. It's as simple as that. Now your clients, customers, or anyone visiting your website can book meetings or appointments directly through your Calendly calendar on Squarespace. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on how to optimize your online presence.